You're watching Homegirl Creates with me, Adora. This toolbox has been with us quite a while. It's seen quite a few projects. It's lived in the garage. It's lived in the crafty room. It currently is holding household kind of tools, like if I want to hang a picture or measure something. So I'm going to give it a makeover, because why not? I mixed up this custom color myself. If you saw my painted exercise bike video, I'll put a link down below where I mixed this color. I put one coat on it. So far, I'm not sure what I want to do with the inside. I'm still making it up as I go. So I decided to paint the inside, and I'm going to add some green for some foliage later. You'll see. You'll see. I know it looks kind of messy now. It's alright. And once you know it, I forgot to press record when I made the roses. I'm not going to fret. I'm not going to worry. I'm just going to go ahead and paint my leaves. Having 4 small children and a very tight budget, Homeboy knew that if he wanted to build his toolbox, he needed to be resourceful. And he also knew that at the time, Craftsman would replace any damaged tools, hand tools. So he would shop at the yard sales, specifically looking for Craftsman tools that he could then take back to the store and get a new one. Do y'all remember when they used to do that? I don't know if they do that anymore. Probably not. Homeboy probably got too many. And now some pennies from heaven for that bling. I found outlining my flowers to be a little difficult. I had to hold the Posca pen from the end, and I couldn't rest my hand against the surface. It was almost like drawing from a distance. I managed somehow. Challenge accepted. This project was inspired by a video I saw recently by Karen Berg of Redo Interiors, in which she had redone a toolbox that she found. You should go check it out. I decided to paint the tray in red and then add some little Posca flowers, add a little copper to the details, and then I applied Big Top Sealer over the whole thing. I don't know, y'all. What do you think? It's almost too pretty to hold tools now. Definitely not going to just leave it in any old garage, especially where some greasy mechanic might get a hold of it.